Have you ever met someone who seems to glide through life with effortless brilliance, turning challenges into opportunities? These individuals excel at problem solving, exploring new ideas, and seizing every moment. What's their secret? It's not just sheer brain power. Highly intelligent people possess a unique mix of traits that truly set them apart. Eager to find out what makes them tick? Whether you're aiming to understand these qualities better or boost your own intelligence, you're in for an enlightening journey. Let's dive in and discover what truly distinguishes these remarkable minds. Number 1. They ask a lot of questions. Remember that kid in school who always had their hand up, eager to ask another question? Highly intelligent people never lose that sense of curiosity. They have an insatiable thirst for knowledge, prompting them to inquire about everything. Whether in a business meeting, watching a documentary, or chatting with a friend, they constantly seek deeper understanding. This relentless curiosity keeps their minds sharp and engaged, transforming everyday experiences into learning opportunities. Number 2. They notice the details. Highly intelligent people often see what others miss. Their keen observational skills allow them to pick up on subtle details and patterns that might escape the average person. For instance, they can detect a change in someone's mood from a slight shift in body language or instantly spot a missing piece in a puzzle. This heightened awareness helps them gather more information and gain deeper insights, enabling them to make more informed decisions. Number 3. They break down complexities. Analytical prowess is a defining trait of highly intelligent individuals. They break down complex problems into manageable parts, scrutinize each component, and devise effective solutions. Whether they're planning a budget, troubleshooting a technical issue, or deciding on a movie to watch, they meticulously weigh all factors to ensure they make the best choices. This ability to dissect and analyze issues enables them to excel in various fields and tackle problems that others find daunting. Number 4. They embrace open-mindedness. Highly intelligent people are open to new ideas, perspectives, and experiences. They are willing to revise their opinions when presented with new facts. This open-mindedness makes them excellent conversationalists and allows them to grow and adapt continuously. It helps them navigate a world full of diverse opinions and complex issues with ease and grace. Number 5. They think critically. Critical thinking involves evaluating information and arguments logically and systematically, and highly intelligent people excel at this. They don't take things at face value. Instead, they scrutinize evidence, identify biases, and assess the validity of arguments. This disciplined approach helps them form well-reasoned conclusions and avoid being misled by false or incomplete information. In daily life, this might mean analyzing news stories for credibility, making informed decisions about personal or professional matters, or debating multifaceted issues with clarity and confidence. Number 6. They're self-reliant. Self-reliance is a hallmark of highly intelligent individuals. They prefer to tackle challenges independently rather than relying on others. Whether fixing a leaky faucet, mastering a new instrument, or understanding how a software program works, they take a hands-on approach. This doesn't mean they never seek help, but they take pride in figuring things out on their own. Number 7. They make connections. Connecting seemingly unrelated ideas is a superpower of highly intelligent people. They see patterns in relationships where others see chaos. For example, they might draw parallels between a historical event and a current issue or apply principles from one discipline to solve a problem in another. This integrative thinking drives creativity and innovation, allowing them to make connections that others might miss. Number 8. They are resourceful. Resourcefulness is a trait that sets highly intelligent people apart, especially in everyday situations. They excel at making the most of what's available, whether leveraging their network to find creative solutions, negotiating better deals to save money, or repurposing household items for new uses. Their ability to think outside the box shines through. They focus on how to leverage what they have, rather than dwelling on what they lack. How many of these traits resonate with you? Reflecting on this list can provide insight into your own intelligence and inspire you to cultivate these qualities further. Intelligence isn't just about IQ scores. It's about how we engage with the world and continuously seek to learn and grow. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more captivating content, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated on our latest posts. Also, be sure to check out our other videos to explore more fascinating topics. Thanks for watching.